that big one too.
Yeah, that's a big one too.
I mean, this big one, what way this big one to this big one?
Oh, are you going to put that one in instead?
Oh my.
You might want to just put a piece of it in. I think it might be too big to put the whole thing in, sweetie.
Why?
I don't think it's going to fit. Why don't you cut off a piece with your scissors?
Why?
I think it's not going
Cut
to
it
fit.
in half.
Can you get a piece with your scissors?
Why?
So it'll fit in, sweetie.
Why?
Okay, you're cutting the wrong piece. Mommy meant this. She says, I don't see how this is going to help.
The scissors.
Are those your scissors?
I like your scissors.
Why? Cut off a piece.
Cut off a piece?
Mom, this side.
Oh, good idea. Good job.
This a boop.
Good job.
Ha. Big one. Now.
So strong.
I just a big
Yeah, you
orange.
did. You made the strings bigger. Good job. Good job, sweetie.